Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.4 LTS version on Ubuntu 24.04. First open any browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server. See here we have these versions. Select the MySQL 8.4.4. But when you are trying to install, if you are unable to find this version, you can click on this archives. There you will find. Okay, select the version, then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux, then select OS version. See here we have the 22.24.04 and 24.10. So I am on 24.04. If you are on 22.04, select it. If you are on 24.10, select this one. Select your version. See, once we selected, it populated list of Debian packages that needs to be installed. Okay, so instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle package. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 476 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will install the MySQL server 8.4.4 and Ubuntu 24.04. In meantime, please subscribe my channel. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, click on show apps, then click on terminal. Go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the tar file. In this tar file there are .deb packages in this tar file. So we have to untar this file, tar-xf, then give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See here these are the list of the Debian packages are bundled in this tar file. Okay, Control A. Now we have to install these Debian packages. Control A. Before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install macab ipadec-utf8. I will keep these commands in the video description. And one more is libaio-dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Control A, ls. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. See, installation has been started. Now set the password for root account. Hit enter. Again confirm. Hit enter. You can ignore these errors. See, these components not installed, no need to worry, but we have installed MySQL server. Control L. Now verify the status of the MySQL service, whether we have installed or not. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL server is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. Control L. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that we have provided for the or set the password for root account. See, we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.4. You can also verify the version. Select version. See, we have installed MySQL server version 8.4.4. Control L. Now we will create a database. So databases. Before that, we are verifying the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. See, these are the default databases. Let us create a database. Create database. Now verify again. See, we have created a database. Let us switch to this database and create a table. We can use the command use is the keyword to switch to database from current to another database. Verify the current database. Select current underscore database. It is select database. See, we are in the current we are in the bank database. Now create a table. Before that, verify table. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables. So let us create a table. Create table. Now verify tables. Show tables. See here we have a table. Now insert some data into this table. Let us verify the data. See, we have inserted these three rows. Now we will create a user. Before that, verify the list of the users. So users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a user. Create. Provide password in singular double quotes. Now verify again. See, we have created user. Now exit and connect to MySQL with this new user. Exit. Exit. MySQL -u. Provide new username -p. Provide the password of this new user. Now verify the current user. Select current _user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user James. Now try to switch to bank database. See, access denied for the user James to the database bank. Okay, why? Because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL service on Ubuntu 24.04. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is running. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. It is stopped. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped. Control N. We can also verify the status by trying to connect to MySQL. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, we are able to connect. Okay. If you want to restart, just replace the start with restart. Control L. We have successfully restarted. If you want to verify, just give the status command. See, we have restarted 6 seconds ago. Control L. ls. See, we have successfully installed MySQL on Ubuntu machine. So these files are not required anymore. First remove this .debian packages. rm start.deb ls. See, here we have one more file, that is tar file. Remove this one also to clear the space. rm, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill and hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Until now we have connected MySQL by using command line client. You can also connect MySQL by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools to connect to MySQL server. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.4.4 on Ubuntu 24.04. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.